Hello Alto. It's day 2. Today could be a very fun day. I've got some boring stuff to do first, like shopping. I've been up since 2 AM, so that's nice. Look at this, I got a coffee from McDonald's, right? They're giving me it in a bag. What? So another problem, or another difference, let's say, in Japan is they don't have any bins anywhere. You take your rubbish home with you, right? That seems to be a thing. When I say bag for life, I mean for life. You're probably quite rightly wondering what's in my bag, right? Understandable. So what's in my bag, Angelos?
That's what's in your bag, you bastard.
Mystery eggs, banana, mystery deodorant, butter, onion, cheese, crisps, snacks, steak. So one thing to note about the Alto is the exhaust is awful, as you just heard. I'm just going to get my coins ready for the toll road. I can't believe how much they still use cash over here. Everything's still cash, like way more than UK. It's a pain in the ass. Hi. Right, so we've just arrived at this car meet. So we're just off the expressway, slightly east of Osaka, and there's loads of cool cars here. DC2 with a Larry body kit. Oh, where's he going to park? Everyone reverse parks in Japan, which is great. I bought a new lens before coming out, specifically for this kind of thing, and it looks really good on my viewfinder, so hopefully it looks good to you. This DC2 is straight out of Fast and the Furious, Need for Speed. Wow. Oh wow, look at this. For some reason I thought Jesse's FD2 was stock, but it's clearly not stock. You know, I started this video like walking to McDonald's and going shopping. and now we're here. It's crazy, man. Like, this is like really cool for a lot of people. I really appreciate to see stuff like this. I mean, me too. Like, this is pretty surreal. I've not been to a car park meet or any kind of car meet for a long time, a lot of years. But the caliber of car that's here is just crazy. Everything's just super nice, super clean. I guess a lot of hard parking going on, but there's also some race cars down here. Like we saw the EG race car, which I'll be racing against on Sunday, and he's brought it down here tonight. So it's pretty cool. We've got another row of cars to go and have a look at, but yeah, mostly Hondas, I think. I don't know if that's an Osaka thing or not, but a lot of Civics, mostly Civics. Oh, what's this? What? So the police have arrived, which is the flashing red lights that you can see there. So they're stopping any cars coming in, and they're probably asking the cars that are here to leave. I've not had the pleasure of using one of these yet.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. My brother came over and he just lived off that shit. He had one and then it was just like, that's it, it's the best thing ever.
Really? Which one?
The fucking corn. It's literally
what?
Corn soup in a can.
Corn soup in a can?
Yeah.
Right. So the police are just saying basically they're gonna do some checks on people's cars. So I guess everyone with a less than legal license or car is thinking about leaving, including the Jax EF. Yeah, I think this is probably the car of the show for me. It's even got the period correct seats. I think you can see them, but some old Sparkos. Clear rears as well. So it looks like most people are moving on now. So the police don't want people making too much noise because there's truckers asleep next door. That's the problem. Anyway, looks like we're going to be shooting soon, so I'm going to pack this camera away. I've got a GoPro in the Alto. I hope I can keep up. If not, we maybe just have to retire. But I think a lot of people will be like heading for the hills or heading somewhere else now.
I'm going to go to the city centre, but I don't know exactly where, so jump in the car and get ready to go. Just follow them.
Okay.
You want me to keep up?
Yeah, I'll try. Oh, well, there's a YouTube title. Police shut down illegal Japanese car meet. Apparently we're going to the city centre. So I guess we're doing more car meet stuff. As far as the police shutting down a car meet goes, it was all pretty civil. Just gonna have to pin it and hopefully catch them up. Arigato. Can't see Jesse. Civic 4th gen's back on a truck now. The EF. Civic there. Where are you going, boys? Waiting for his mate. Turning left anyway, thankfully, so we got that one right. Oh, that was a bit of a rush, wasn't it? I'm gonna follow those guys. So this is a pretty interesting place to stop, right? DC2 over there. I don't know if you could see it on the video, but this was the other K car. So we saw him at the slip road and then we met him again on the loop line, but couldn't keep up with him. Jesse was just saying that he was flying as well, so apparently it's some supercharged thing, like pretty rapid apparently. So yeah, it was flying when we saw it. I don't know if you could make out much on the GoPro, but yeah. So we're all just waiting now. It's 10 to midnight, so I've been up for 22 hours. I don't feel too bad. I've got a Monster Energy as well that we got from the supermarché. Oh, Alpine Stars. So we're gonna head up to some mountain road, just about a half an hour drive. And apparently it's a popular spot and there'll be some other K cars there that I can tag along with and hopefully have some fun with. But yeah, it's not looking like an early night, which I'm, hang on. I'm feeling a bit like an old man because, you know, I've been up a while and I know you don't want to hear this, but I got a race on Sunday that, you know, been looking forward to a lot, and I'm looking forward to going into the mountains, of course. And this is an opportunity that might not come around again, so of course we're doing it, but the old man in me is like, ah, you know, but I'm not tired, so do I look tired? Yeah, it's 10 to midnight now, nearly midnight, and the city is still so busy, so active. Lots of taxis. I felt quite special getting in that Crown the other day, but I hear they're, well, we can see them, they're everywhere, but apparently they're not very good, so. This EK's been idling all the time we've been here. Just chilling, ready to go. Stock. Alright, we're finally heading to the spot. It's 20 past midnight, not too bad. But we're going to try and keep up with the pack this time. Hopefully they don't drive too silly. Toll. Obrigado. Right. It was nice. Google, shut up. This was the car that was behind us. was hoping it wasn't anyone dodgy, right? Yeah, I didn't know who it was. It's Corbin, right?
Yes.
There we go, I remembered his name at least. I was flat out for so long there in this thing.
Yeah.
Pedal to the floor, man. That's some view, man.
Yeah.
Just goes on forever.
Yes, it does.
Well, I guess the sea's on the far side, right? Yeah.
Keep up with you guys in this
What, with the
3,000
boat?
kilo fucking drop.
Those are the tight roads coming through there, right? Yeah. Yeah, the boat did all right, yeah?
The boat did alright.
Alright, it's home time, 3 AM. I'm pretty tired. Arigato. Copy navigate! Right, that's me nearly back to my digs then, so thanks for watching. Pretty mad day. Everyone's been really chill, really nice and welcoming, so yeah, thank you. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. So the next video you might see could well be the race in the Civic. If anything happens tomorrow, I'll let you know. If not, I'll see you there at Central Circuit for our first race in the Honda One Make Championship. I've parked like a right cunt. Goodbye.